Experiencing unresponsive touch controls on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Many users have reported issues with press and swipe gestures since the 2024 release. First, ensure your fingers are clean and dry, as moisture or debris can interfere with the capacitive sensors. To fix this, clean and dry your fingers before using the touch controls. Next, try a simple reset. Place the AirPods in their case, close the lid, wait 15 seconds, then reconnect them to your device via Bluetooth. Outdated firmware is another culprit. Update your iOS to the latest version, iOS 18.5 or later, to ensure compatibility and bug fixes. If the problem persists, forget the device in your Bluetooth settings and repair it. For advanced troubleshooting, attempt a DFU reset by holding the Setup button on the case for 15 seconds while the AirPods are inside. Lastly, if you're in a humid environment, install the software patch released in August 2025. If basic troubleshooting fails, the issue might be hardware-related. Tech influencer Marques Brownlee demonstrated how ultrasonic cleaning and firmware rollback can sometimes restore functionality after liquid exposure. For persistent problems, contact Apple support for warranty replacement, especially if the issue arose from manufacturing defects. To prevent future issues, clean the touch sensors monthly with a dry, lint-free cloth. Avoid using AirPods Pro 3 in excessively wet or dusty environments. Be aware that complex gestures, like three-finger swipes, are more prone to errors. If you continue to have gesture issues in normal environments, you may be entitled to a free replacement. Check Apple support communities to see if you are eligible, and if all else fails, you may be able to claim via class action lawsuits that are emerging for sensor failures in high-usage situations. Remember to keep your AirPods in a case when not using them to avoid damage.